guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are also subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. And if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe and support my ministry. Welcome to Vicky Herbal Remedy. So guys, today's video I want to show you guys home remedy if you are having dry cough and if you're having cough that resists to go for a very long time. This remedy is for you. If you have a brother, a sister, a friend, make sure you share this recipe. This home remedy is very simple and it's very active. You are going to thank me later. So make sure you share this video and comment and like. So without wasting your time, as I say, this recipe is for dry cough. If you're having cough, dry cough that persistent, refuse to go for a very long time, and if you're having cough, you can actually take it too. So let me show you all the ingredients and the recipe we need to use for this cough. So here guys, we are familiar with garlic, ginger. This is ginger. We are going to be using ginger, and you are going to be using 2 bunch of lemon. Then we are going to be using 2 bunch of onions. You can see it, red onion, not white onions. And we are going to be needing garlic. You can see this is garlic. This garlic. So this in here is my original honey. You are going to be needing original honey, homemade honey, original one, native honey. That is all you are going to be needing. So my honey is here. So without this guy, let's prepare it together. So what we need to do first, we are going to be peeling our garlic, our ginger. So I'm going to be peeling it. So now I'm going to start with ginger, our garlic. So guys, make sure you take your time to peel it very well. You don't need a lot of garlic. Just a little pieces of garlic, like 5 pieces or 6 pieces, 7 pieces is okay. This recipe works like magic. So the next thing I'm going to be peeling my onions. I'll peel my onions. This red onions, original one. You can see it. You peel it. You are going to be using 2 bunch of onions, red onions, not white onions. So guys, I'm making it very fast to not waste you guys' time. So guys, you can see this is onions, garlic and ginger. So all is peeled. So all I need to do now, let me go and wash it. I'll be back. So guys, everything is properly washed. The ginger, garlic and onions and the lemon. So we are going to start showing you how to prepare it now. So everything. So all you need to do, you get a container. You can see the kind of one with the quantity of water. You can see. So guys, I'm going to start dicing my onions first. Dice it the way we dice onions for our food. That's how you dice it. It's not that hard. It's a very simple remedy. So the more you dice it, you add it into the water. Make sure you get a clean drinking water, very clean one. So you dice it and put inside the water, inside the bowl. Make sure you use 2 bunch of onions for this recipe, for this home remedy for dry cough, any type of cough, but it's very effective on dry cough. If you're having dry cough that's taking you for a very long time, this recipe is for you. Make sure you share this remedy. You can see it. You dice the onions. The next thing we are going to be dicing, our ginger. And if you want to blend, you can blend. But this is the easier way for you. You blend them, you add them, you cut more ginger. Please ignore the sound of the cut. So you dice it into a little particles, a little size, and add it. So follow the process I'm doing. Take your time, don't rush. So now I'm dicing the little garlic. You don't need the garlic more, just a little of it. So you chop it. I'm adding the garlic. Now the next thing you are going to do now, you dice your lemon. First you cut it like this and squeeze the juice first into it. You do the same thing again like this. Like this. Then you now come back and dice it again. Dice the chaff, the back of it. Ferment into it very well. Then the second lemon, make sure you use 2 bunch of lemon, 2 bunch of onions for this recipe. You do the same thing. After press this, squeeze the juice out, you cut it again. Then you add it. You can see, so we are done now. You can see how it's looking. So the next thing we are going to add our original honey. You understand? Original honey. So we are going to add it now. The original honey. So guys, now we are going to be add your original honey. You are going to be adding 2 spoons of honey. This one. Don't be selfish, add it very well. You can see 2 spoons. So you now make sure you turn it very well. Very well. 2 spoons of original honey is okay. So all you have here for your dry cough or cough, what type of cough you're having. And you know, dry cough, when you get to the hospital, they'll say is TB. If you're having TB, you can swear go for this, and it's going to be cured permanently. You are going to be thanking me. So you know what the recipe we are using here. We are using ginger, garlic, garlic, ginger, garlic, lemon, onions, and honey. You understand? Very simple recipe that you can get in your kitchen, you can get in nearby your house. This is home remedy, natural home remedy that cure dry cough, that cure cough very easy. Within 2 3 days, you thank me later for this remedy. So guys, you can see. So all you need to do after preparing it, you have to cover it and soak it to the next day. So the next day, you use full 2 full tablespoon like this. Two morning before you eat, in the evening before you go to bed. You understand? What did I say? I said if you are having dry cough, make sure you 2 spoons in the morning, in the evening before you go to bed, after eating in the night. Before you go to bed, you can take 2 spoons in the morning, take empty stomach before you eat anything. So guys, this is bring us to the end of this video. This recipe is very, you are going to thank me. Share this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed at this moment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Vicky Herbal Remedy. So guys, subscribe and share my video for more home remedy, guys. So see you guys. If you are watching up to this moment, thank you for always. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.